Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to download Douyin videos in bulk without the watermark. Douyin is a popular source for uploading videos, especially for markets outside of China. Douyin is the Chinese version of TikTok and has a massive content library, helping content creators save time and effort in producing original videos while still being able to attract views. First, you need to have the 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐿 viral software. Select the Scan Download Videos feature. The software also provides a feature to increase video engagement. Automatically upload videos. Editing video. Select the video platform you want to download from. Here, choose the Douyin platform. You can choose to download videos related to a keyword or download videos from a specific Douyin user. The keyword used to scan and download videos on the Douyin platform needs to be translated into Chinese. Set the number of videos to be scanned. I will choose a sample of 20 videos. Start scanning and wait for the results. You can preview the scanned videos by copying the link. If you want to download the videos to your computer, select the videos you want. You can add filters to download videos that better match your needs. Make sure to select the folder where you want to save the videos. Then click Start Download and wait for the results. If you want to scan all videos without the watermark from any Douyin account, we will move on to the next part. Copy the link of the Douyin account you want to scan videos from. Note, copy the part of the link up to but not including from. Paste it into this section of the software. Select the number of videos you want to scan and start the process as before. If you want to know any further details about the software, you can contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next ones.